Hello guys, once again welcome back to the GFS Tech. Today we will discuss about the SQL Server version. So let's move to our browser. So version of SQL Server. SQL Server is currently in its 18th version release. Released in November 2022. This version introduced several new features and enhancements, including means improved performance, faster query execution, and overall performance improvement. Enhance the securities, stronger security features to protect the data. SQL Server introduced the new data types, support for the all additional data types, integration with the Azure, deeper integration with Azure, Microsoft Azure Cloud Services, machine learning, enhance the capability for the machine learning and data science. It is important to note that the Microsoft regularly release update and patches for the SQL Server to address the bugs, securities, and vulnerabilities, and in, and introduce the new features. So here are the list of the major SQL Server versions. Here are the some of the major versions of the SQL Server released over the year. SQL Server SQL Server 2000 released in 2000, SQL Server 2005 released in 2005, SQL Server 2008 released in 2008, SQL Server 2008 R2 release, SQL Server 2012 release in 2012, SQL Server 2014 release in 2014, SQL Server 2016 release in 2016, SQL Server 17 release in 2017, SQL Server 19 release in 2019, SQL Server 2022 release in 2022. Each version introducing the new features, enhancement and improvement. SQL Server 2022 is the latest major release as of September 2024. So these are the major versions of the major released of the SQL Server. So if you if you want, so I will make the videos for the features wise, the release wise. I will make the videos for that, whatever the feature they have released in the version, means like a server 22, what the features it released. So I will make all these video. If you want to see that video, please stay in my playlist. I will